how to do a front flip. So I'm here at Santa Monica right now, and we're gonna show you exactly how to do a front flip, and let's get into it, guys.
Hey!
Alright, what's up guys, this is Brendan.
What's up?
And he's gonna show you his front flip.
Easy!
So to do a front flip properly, it's gonna take some power, alright? You're gonna have to take a small jump, okay? Run up, just like so. To land the front flip, it's just gonna take practice, okay? It's gonna take some just practice, and it's gonna take time. But once you get it, you got it. It also is a blind landing, so you got to be careful that I don't even open my eyes during the flip, honestly. I just know when to let go and when to open up in my flip and land. But it's really simple. It's really easy. If you want to do front flip 180s, I think front flip 180s are probably easier than front flips because the blind landing. So when it comes to front flips, really all it's going to take is some good leg power and some power, and to just shoot up with your arms, and that's pretty much it. That's the basics of the front flip. I'll show you a few front flips now, standing front flips even. I'll just show you some front flips, so enjoy.
Hey!
Yeah, that
Easy! Hey, oh.
So those are front flips. The thing is, if you take a big hop, you're putting a lot of pressure on your knees and your ankles. Okay, so you don't want to take a big hop when you're doing the front flip, because what that's going to do, like I said, is just going to put unnecessary strain on your ankles and your knees. So take a small hop and shoot straight up, starting on a trampoline. So once you can do it standing on a trampoline, a decent trampoline, once you can do that, take it out onto a mattress. Once you can do it on a mattress, you're ready for on ground, to take it on ground. I would start off into sand. Make sure the sand's soft. The first time you're doing it, you might land on your butt, but like front flips are really easy to do, but they're not easy to land. It's easy to attempt the front flip, but it's not easy to land it. So just take some time, be patient with it. Don't go out and practice 30 front flips in one day, and then don't I'd rather see you do 7 a day, 5 to 7 a day with a good warm up, than just going out all out 50 in one day and just wrecking your body. Because it does take muscle, and it does take muscle and and energy and strength. So yeah, so Bubba Gump. It does take some power. Front flips are a trick that guy Brendan that I just showed you that did the front flip right here. That guy Brendan, he's been doing flips for 2 months, and he got the front flip pretty quick, pretty easy. He got it pretty easy. It's a simple trick. Just for front flips, it's not as mental as back flips, because because back flips are a lot more scary. You can't see where you're going. But yeah, I'm here in Santa Monica, and we're just here, just hanging out. I wanted to share something. I was out here in Santa Monica, and these guys asked me if I wanted to smoke, and I was like, no, I don't smoke. And if you're struggling with, trying to give in to whatever, because I felt that pressure, I felt that pressure to be hey, I want to, I felt the pressure to be just do what they wanted to do. But you got to realize that God's with you all the time, and He never leaves you, and you don't have to do anything stupid to be cool. You don't have to do any drugs to be cool or anything like that. Just being who God created you to be is where it's at, you know, and that's it. You don't have to smoke or drink or anything like that. Even though people are gonna be like, you know, oh, you're not drinking, you're not smoking. You just kind of got to get other people think. I think that's a lot of how people get into those things is they're hanging around the wrong crowd and get carrying like, oh, what will this guy think of me if I say no to this? But really, you gotta just be confident with God and confident who you are in Him and in your identity in Him. Don't feel bad about rejecting it. Just do it, and the more you do it, the easier it should get, unless you're doing it for the wrong reasons. So I really appreciate you watching. I wanted to make this video on how to do a front flip on ground, and if you want to
Ready? Yep.
that's the Webster front flip, and that's a lot different than the punch front, but you know, still just a different style of the front flip. For those, you got to talk to my brother Evan. He's a lot better at those, but yeah, guys, I would recommend doing it on soft grass. You don't want to just do it on, you know, concrete right away. Obviously, you need to do it on sand, grass, or something soft. Do it down a hill to make it easier, because, you know, the lower it is, you'll jump out, and then it'll make it seem like you're doing it off something. Like I said, do it down a hill. Really simple, really easy, and practice, guys. The key is just to practice, and don't be afraid to fail on it, and you're gonna get it.